Hey, welcome to the Psychology of Success. Look at this. Look at that. That's like God's own country, right? Isn't that beautiful? But unfortunately, someone has dumped that. What's wrong with human beings? But luckily, I'm equipped with my handy dandy grasper made out of solid bronze. So we're gonna pick it up and put it in the garbage somewhere where it belongs and return this gorgeous, beautiful country back to where it should be. Nature is therapeutic. So, we have to look after it. Okay, so correction, this is not bronze, it's pure brass. And well, plastic to the rescue. Plastic, the great destroyer, and somehow also savior. So here it is, in this case, savior. The garbage has gone in here. I just carry a little bit of a few bags in my car for this sort of stuff. And the great grasper. And now we're going to just take it and put it in the garbage somewhere. And here you can appreciate a little bit of this stunning outdoors. Take care.